It's done. The first part of the test, failure. So if you've watched AMI videos, you know that I like playing with TPU. TPU is fantastic material. And one of the problems is running TPU through an AMS. DUDV2, DUDV2, has a product called AMS STTPU. And so I wanted to see, could I do multiple layers in TPU with color changes and see how it comes out. I had loaded in 2 spools of DUDV2 STTPU, the AMS version, and I had pre-dried this 6 hours in my handy dandy 2 spool Reality dryer. Let's ignore the stringiness of it, but it looks like it turned out pretty good. Should I make it bigger? It's done. It's a snake. So I learned the hard way that STTPU cannot run in a A1 AMS Lite. It has to run in a AMS, either P1 or X1 version. And you do need to dry it before you run it. You can go to DUDV2.com and find a profile for your printer for printing this filament. They'll give you the correct temperatures, speeds, and biometric flow, and it'll help this print really well. The articulating rattlesnake I printed is from Maker World, and it's I'm not even gonna try to say his name. It's just the articulated rattlesnake print in place.